Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation, here with another Learn Zulu Everyday episode. This is building on yesterday's episode, ordering coffee. So we're just going to shoot through the conversation quickly. You be Roger, I'll be Buyani, and then we'll explain when we get to the new part. So, go for it. Sawubona, Buti. I've changed the names. It might have got a bit confusing with you say, but I'm saying what you're saying. So we're just going to talk about Roger and Buyani. So just for now, you say Roger's lines. Sawubona Buti. I say yebo. Sawubona Baba. Unjani namuhla. And I say Ngiphila njengosheleni. Wena unjani. And you say nami ngiyaphila, ngiyabonga. Uzophuzani namuhla. Hi, you say your line. Hi, ngicela filter coffee. Ufuna filter coffee elimnyama noma elinobisi. And you want filter coffee with milk. You say ngicela filter coffee elinobisi. Ufuna ubisi olushisayo noma olubandayo. You say ngicela ubisi olushisayo. Please, can I have hot milk? Ufuna filter coffee elikhulu noma elincane. You say ngicela coffee elikhulu. So I'm checking your order. Okay. Uzophuza filter coffee elikhulu elinobisi olushisayo. Angithi? Is that so? And you say yebo, kunjalo, that's so. I say okay, liyeza manje, it's coming now. Uzohamba nalo, you're going to go with it. Noma, uzoliphuzela lapha. Or you're going to drink it here. You say no, I'm going to go with it. Hey, ngizohamba nalo. Ngizwa kahle. Ngizwa kahle. I understand. Now, I'm going to ask. Uzokhokha ngecash noma ngecard? Are you going to pay cash noma ngecard? Or is Roger going to play with cash or with card? Roger says, "Hi, ngizokhokha ngecard." Okay, so I'll ask you some questions about Roger. Roger uzokhokha ngecash noma ngecard? Yebo, Roger uzokhokha ngecard. I said, Buyani, in this case, barista, Buyani says to Roger, okay, ngicela ufake ipin. Yeah. Bese Roger, and then Roger uthi ulungile. Okay. Buyani says, Ayikho network. Sishaywa load shedding. Network ihambile. Ayikho network. Manje lento ocofo zakhona uthi tup ayikhulumi network. Network ayikho. Buyani says ngicela uzame futhi. Ngicela uzame, please try futhi again. My Zulu name is Zamani. Okay, Zamani Zulu. Zama is to try. So I was called Zamani because back at varsity when I was learning Zulu, I was people saw trying Zulu. So I said, "Oh, Zamani, ngobuya zama." Saying because I'm zamaring, I'm trying. Zamani. There you go. So Roger says to Buyani, Ayikho inkinga. vele i-load shedding iyahlupha. Load shedding iyahlupha. Load shedding really is irritating. Maybe I'll write that down. Write that down for you. Whatever. I-load shedding iyahlupha. Oopsie. Iyahlupha. Iyahlupha. It's very bothersome. Yes. Iyahlupha. I-load shedding iyahlupha. Buyani says, Nazo, okay. That's the one. Fantastic. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Okay. So manje bekukhona i-load shedding. I'm just going to speak a bit in Zulu, just try and listen. So uRoger ufuna i-filter coffee elikhulu elinobisi olushisayo. uRoger uzokhokha ngekhadi, hayi ngecash. uRoger uzokhokha ngekhadi. Kodwa there is a problem. Kukhona inkinga. Kukhona i-load shedding. Ugesi awukho. Manje lento ocofoza khona i-card machine isebenza ngama-battery. Ama-battery akhona. Manje ayikhulumi ne-network. I-network ihambile. I-card, uRoger ethi faka i-card, faka i-pin, lutho. uBuyani uthi ngicela uzame, please try. Futhi uRoger like here, ayikho inkinga. Iyahlupha i-load shedding. Iyahlupha. Very irritating. Okay. Buyani says, Nazo, your pen work this time. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ube nosuku oluhle. Usuku is a day. Ube nosuku uluhle. Have a nice day. Ube nosuku uluhle. Roger says, nawe, you too, mfowethu. Ube nosuku oluhle. Have a nice day. Hamba kahle, sala kahle. Nazo. Siyabonga kakhulu bafundi. Salani kahle.